Hey guys, Ashley Moore, 4-H Program Assistant, McCreary County Extension Service. Today I'm going to show you how to make elephant toothpaste. In doing so, we're going to use science. We're going to combine two different chemicals to make an exothermic reaction. And what that is a chemical reaction that produces heat. So anytime we're using science, anytime there's a chemical reaction, let's always make sure that we do have parental supervision, just so nobody gets hurt. Okay, what you need for this little activity is peroxide, just your 3% that you can get from Walmart or Kroger. We need liquid dish soap, your favorite color food coloring, a funnel. We need a clear 16-ounce bottle. You need half a cup, measuring cup, and then we'll need 3 tablespoons of warm water and 1 tablespoon of yeast. And I've already got mine mixed up here on the side. You want that to be the consistency of melted ice cream. Okay, first things first, let's pour in our peroxide. We're going to use half a cup of just your 3% peroxide. Okay, and now we're going to put in about a tablespoon of this liquid. Alright, and add your favorite color food color. Alright, and now is when we find out what a catalyst does. A catalyst is just something that increases the chemical reaction rate. So we're going to combine the hydrogen peroxide and yeast. And this is where we get the exothermic reaction, which is heat. Okay, you guys ready to make elephant toothpaste? Put your funnel on there and get ready to pour it in. And there you go. Elephant toothpaste. You gotta see it. And once you get it poured in there and it's foaming up, with it being 3% peroxide, it is safe to touch. But you can actually feel the heat coming off of the chemical. So, try this little activity at home. Make sure you like, share, and comment. Show us your video. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much. Elephant toothpaste.